At bartpinkerton.com, the application process is secure and simple. Over the next couple of minutes, I'll show you exactly what you need to fill out so you don't waste time entering unnecessary information, and so Bart can provide you with a home mortgage solution as quickly and accurately as possible. The entire process should take about 10 minutes. So let's get started. Once you click Apply Now from the home page, you'll be taken to the online application. The Start tab is where the process begins. Be sure to fill out your first and last name and your email so Bart can easily correspond with you. And if you have a co-borrower, ensure you enter their first and last name as well. If you don't have a co-borrower, be sure to check the No option. If your realtor referred you to Bart, choose Other from the How Did You Hear About Us dropdown and enter their name. You can skip the other real estate agent information. Then authorize a credit check and accept the terms of the privacy policy. That's it for the first step, so then click Next. The next tab, Loan Information, is quick and simple. If you're buying a home, fill in the approximate purchase price. If you're refinancing an existing home, fill in the approximate total existing loan amount. Everything else you can leave blank. Let's move on to personal information. Here you need to fill out as much as possible. The more information you can provide, the better. This will save you time in the long run and allow Bart to provide you with a response much more quickly. If you have a co-borrower, once you get to the bottom, you can use the Copy button if the address is the same as the borrower. Then click Next. Here, Bart needs at least 2 years of work history for the borrower and also for the co-borrower if there is one. Fill in as much information as possible. And if you've not worked at the same place for at least 2 years, don't forget to click Add Another and fill out any prior employment up to the last 2 years. Once you're finished with employment history, enter any additional income. Then click Next. Next is Assets and Liabilities. This section is brief. First, enter any assets such as checking or savings accounts. All you need to enter is the type of account, who the owner is, the value, and the name of the institution or bank. You can skip life insurance and cash. Then fill in monthly housing expenses. All that's needed here is your monthly rent or mortgage payment. Skip real estate details and liability details, but enter any alimony, child support, and job-related expenses if applicable. At this point, you're just about done. Let's move on to declarations. This section is simple. Just work your way down the list, answering each yes or no question. Lastly, click Next. You can review all of your information, scroll to the bottom, and click Submit. And that's all there is to it. Bart will be notified that the application has been completed. So take a few minutes and fill out the online application. Bart will follow up with you as quickly as possible.